In this video, I'll guide you through how to link and connect Gmail to Dubsado. Connecting your Gmail account to Dubsado can make it easier to manage your email communication directly within your CRM. Instead of constantly switching between different platforms, linking your email account can help keep your client communication organized and accessible through Dubsado. To get started, open Dubsado and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the gear icon. This is where you can access your account settings. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Inside the settings, look for the emails option and click on it. This will take you to the email settings where you can manage the connection between Dubsado and your email account. Once you're in the email settings, look for the option that allows you to sign in and connect an account. Click on Sign In With to begin the Gmail connection process. After you select this option, Google will open a sign-in screen. If you have multiple Google accounts available, choose the Gmail account that you want to connect to Dubsado. Make sure you select the correct account before continuing. Next, Google will display the permissions associated with connecting your account. Review the information shown on the screen, and when you're ready to continue, click Continue to grant the requested permissions and allow Dubsado to connect with your Gmail account. Once you've completed the Google authorization process, you'll be taken back to Dubsado. The page should refresh, and the email settings will show that your Gmail account has been connected. Keep in mind that the exact appearance of Dubsado may vary depending on the version or interface you're using. You might see slightly different menus, labels, or layouts, but the main process remains focused on opening the settings, selecting emails, starting the sign-in process, choosing your Google account, and continuing through the permission screen. So, to quickly recap, open Dubsado, click the gear icon, select Emails, and choose Sign In With. Then select the Gmail account you want to connect, review the permissions, and click Continue. After the page refreshes, your Gmail connection should be set up in Dubsado. And that's how you can link Gmail to Dubsado and manage your email connection directly through the platform.